Yan. Good morning po kay Miss Sapugay, Miss Ventura, and Miss Chentes.
Good
Good
morning,
morning
ma'am.
po.
So I have the same question. What is the purpose of your study and what is its implication?
So we are about to develop a safe, effective, marketable, and functionable mosquito coil out of natural ingredients, and the active ingredient for repelling mosquito is the Lanthium domesticum pill. And we all know that commercial mosquito coil can harm human, animal, and environmental health. So we seek for the changes. And according to Healthline, ProLab, and FDA, coil has a harmful composition, which are the sodium benzoate, methyl violet liquid, and coumarin, which cause of potentially harmful effects on health in animal and injury to the cornea and increased risk in inflammation po.
Hello, ma'am. Um, Permission to speak. While ma'am, using commercially available mosquito coil is a risky endeavor, thus the public should be educated and practice should be discontinued. So, alternative insect repellent that is safe for human, animals, and the environment must be discovered to be used. We are about to develop a safe, effective, and acceptable mosquito coil out of natural ingredients, and the active ingredient, of course, is the Lanthium domesticum for repelling mosquito. In this research, it will allow people or it will give people a safe option in repelling mosquitoes to prevent dengue, since the available mosquito coil in the market is harmful. The study also will serve as a wake-up call to the public that catol, which is widely available in the market, is harmful. We, the researchers, believe that our research will benefit all the living things in the world.
Okay. Researchers, have you tried to work on your product? Kung talagang kayang gawing mosquito coil, um, ang inyong na peeling
Um,
main
Not yet.
component.
Not yet, ma'am. However, there are previous researchers from 2012 and from past years. They already developed the mosquito coil. However, according to National Committee of Urban Pest Control, um, the method they used in drying uh, Lanzones peel is not correct. They use sun drying. So in our research, we will about to use the right method that was um, told by the National Urban Pest Control, which is the air drying. And also we will be utilizing different method and ingredients in our research.
Okay, so on that part, it's not included in your study. The plan on how you're going to develop is of course, the main part of your research. So it must be included on your chapter 3. What's your plan? So we cannot say that because chapter 1 to 3 is already the plan, di ba? So after this will be the development part. So when you plan, ano ba yung mga talagang components na ilalagay nyo? What different materials will be used. So, dapat nandito na yung lahat. Okay po? So, I would
Um,
expect you to provide those data on your revision. Okay po?
um, there,
Okay.
we have already the data po, ma'am, in the intervention part in the chapter 3 po.
Okay. Intervention. Dapat product development.
Okay po. Noted, ma'am.
Kasi the term intervention, although the term intervention, ibig sabihin kasi para kayong, meron kayong ginawa para ma-change ang setting. Something like that. And
Apo.
then, okay, so I have here some of my comments. Follow research format. All alignment must be justified. So, merong mga parts na hindi pa natin na-justify. Kindly recheck. And then, you have a good background of the study. You followed what needs to be followed. And then, however, I would like you to improve your statement of the problem because, for example, your number 4, you could omit this part kasi etong number 4, ano na to, kumbaga magiging conclusion out of the answers in 1, 2, 3. And also, meron kayo ditong lifespan, ayan, smoke, and you are trying to create a research on a experimental research. But then, wala akong makitang experiment dito. Parang evaluation lang to coming from the respondents. So I would suggest that you add another question here on your statement of the problem in terms of you as the researcher trying to test your product. Like for example, dun pa lang, for example, the lifespan. Yung part na yun, hindi yan pwedeng evaluate lang natin na very good, excellent, and so on. Dapat, ang lifespan niyan indicated gaano talaga katagal. Tatagal ang inyong product. So, you provide another question on that part na for the testing part. No? For the testing part nyo siya ilalagay. Okay? And then,
Naupo.
tama naman po, meron kayong mga evaluation. So, okay na po yan. Those evaluation are for your respondents or the users naman. Okay? Ayan. So, when in terms naman on your hypotheses, so kung ilan po ang inferential question nyo on your statement of the problem, dapat ganun din kadami ang inyong hypothesis. And then meron kayo ditong relationship and difference. No? Based upon your SOP, you're just looking for the difference, di ba? Hindi naman relationship. So, tanggalin nyo itong relationship na. At hindi po yan yung parang di required na parehas nandyan. Depende sa question nyo sa SOP. And then, your research design, since lalagyan nyo na ng additional question, sige, papayag na ako dyan. Experimental na yun. Sample, okay na. Okay. Ayan. When it comes to your questionnaire, sabi niyo po dito, inadapt nyo, tama ba?
Yes po, ma'am.
So, make sure na lang po that we provided the validity and reliability of your questionnaire. And then, yon sa inyong chapter 3, yung development procedure, please add. And then, aside from that, kulang ang inyong data analysis, no, for your inferential question. Wala pa kayong stats for that. And lastly, I would suggest on your appendices, kahit nasa revision na po ito, you provide the budgetary allotment for your product. Baka mamaya, magkano lang yung katol? Magkano ba yun? 5? Baka yung sa inyo, 51. Diba? So you have to
Dos po isa ata.
provide the budgetary allotment. So ngayon pa lang, dapat alam nyo na yung plan for it. Diba? So, also include that yung test, pati yung affordability kasama. Okay? So, that will be all for this group. Congrats.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you po.